I'm in SS2, coming back to this place, Lim Fried Chicken. It's been a while since I came here. This is actually a branch of the famous Lim Fried Chicken in Subang. So they actually from Subang. This is actually a branch here in SS2. There's a few branches. It's been a while since I'm here, so this is their menu. Seems they add a lot of combo meals here. Usually I will order their signature drumstick rice and veggie, okay, plus the squid sambal. Yeah. So let's have a look. This is their signature lah. They are very famous for their drumstick. Okay, they do have Chong fan. Now this one mutton or sambal sotong, nasi lemak, a la carte. You can even actually get their sambal. One can. Or if you love the chicken so much, just order it individually. The beverages, I think I had enough of beverages for today. So this is how it looks like, what I got, right? This is a Lohan for. Used to be plastic cups, but now they save money. I think they use paper, also environmentally friendly control. It comes with the drumstick here. This is the signature drumstick. Rice with a bit of curry, and this cabbage you can actually change to long beans if you want. So this is the sambal sotong. This little bit addition cost me 12 bucks. It used to be a bit cheaper last time. Everything increased price already. So you better tell them you want less rice if you don't want so much rice. Not this is the standard. Okay, it's quite huge actually. One person eat be too much actually. Okay, so I'm currently having the drumstick. So we came here just for this. The name also Lim Fried Chicken. What you expect, right? So what's the difference between this fried chicken and your regular fried chicken, especially if you want to compare with the big famous fast food brands? I'm not going to mention the name here, but you all know who I'm talking about. First, less oily, and it's not dry. Okay, I don't know about you, but I don't like the fried chicken when it's too dry. This one you can still bite in and it's still juicy. Okay, so you pair this with rice. Oh, this is good. You pair this with rice. Sambal sotong. The sambal sotong is here. They use the usual. You've seen those in the market, right? Where they put inside the water. The cuttlefish is already preserved, right? This is the cuttlefish that you are getting. It's not the fresh squid, it's different. Alright? So this is a cuttlefish, not sweet. But you pair it with curry. The curry is good also. And some sambal. Alright? Sambal here. You can, I don't know, I like when I take the chicken, right? Especially the chicken skin, the best part. And we pair with sambal, then some rice and fantastic. I really very long never come here already. The curry, the chicken still tastes good. Just like the first time I came here when they first opened also. So if you are around the corner, you don't want to go to Subang, or you're not staying in Subang, right? You can always come to SS2. Okay? This is Lim Fried Chicken SS2 branch. You will still get the same chicken that you get in Subang. Same quality, alright? So that's it for now. I'll see you again next video. This is Kenny here. Bye bye.